Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a blend list. Today I am excited to bring you guys my foremost asked about list on the internet and on my YouTube channel. This blend list is going to be one that gives you the functions of the wardrobe building through the house of Tom Ford. This is a house that was once synonymous with exclusivity, but now gives everyone that had to reach far and near for these type of blends and artistry and perfumery can go straight to their department stores and grab those type of fragrances. This house is a fusion of arousing, stimulative, restorative, and business styles of fragrances that you can have in your wardrobe that you cannot beat. So in 2023 fall, this is our blend list for the house of Tom Ford. If this sounds like the type of content you think you'll enjoy, pull up a seat, pour a glass, and of course, let's enhance. Cheers. So guys, first off in this blend list, let's get to the most dignified fragrance for business and upscale elegance in that realm. That is the fragrance Tom Ford Oud Wood. Everyone knows about Oud Wood. This is the woody, spicy, opulent wood cardamom spice. Very clean, very effective in alluring and being a business style of fragrance. It has a scent of, like I said, clean, spicy cardamom, clean oud, and Brazilian rosewood. Those essences come off spectacularly for anyone who wants to come off as a leader in any business sense and also project professionalism. Very nice, smoky, resinous, sweet, but very, very clean in the way that they mix this blend. No one has to be told much about Oud Wood. So first off, in your wardrobe building for the Tom Ford Private Blend, Oud Wood by the house of Tom Ford. Up, ladies and gentlemen, in the blend list, I want to bring a fragrance that, yes, it may be hard to come by, but you can find this fragrance if you look for it. This is a fragrance that is smoky, resinous, sweet, sumptuously fruity, and it is one that is a very rich and opulent scent, but it can be worn, and most times for me is worn as a leisure scent. And that is the fragrance PLUM Japonais, which is just an incredible balsamic fragrance built off of resinous sweetness, plum accords, ambery, just everything effectively that you want in a leisure scent that can carry throughout the entire day for you and give you a presentation and allure, attractiveness, and mysteriousness as well when it comes to a leisure scent. This is one that can go from the morning errands to the midday brunch to a after work affair to an evening date. This is the great fragrance for leisure wear. You cannot beat this fragrance. And if you find this fragrance on anywhere in the 50 ml or 100 ml flacon, I suggest you get it because this is one that is on everyone's list as far as being an exciting transitional scent for the fall. Deeply sensual. Great leisure scent for the fall 2023 and the Tom Ford blend list. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, for the blend list, in the evening elegance, you want a scent that puts you head and shoulders above everyone in the room, and that is what this particular scent does. This is Tobacco Oud by the house of Tom Ford and its private blend line, and this is a woody, smoky, resinous, oudy tobacco fragrance that is a narcotic with mesmerizing effect. It is very, very well made. It produces a dance that gives you everything you want in a fragrance for the evening elegance. It is one that surrounds you with all of the things that are mysterious, like the whiskey accords, the ambrette accords. It's a very musky scent. It's very effervescent from that ambrette and ambergris inside of it. It also has an incense feel to it, very smoky, very woody, sweet and resinous. This to me was a challenging scent when I first got my nose on it, which was years ago. And year after year, time after time, I've gone back to this. And this is one that I on my own had to seek out because I went through a bottle of this. And it was one that I very much so enjoy and can't wait to get this bottle underway for the fall of 2023. This is the evening elegant scent in the blend list for 2023 of Tobacco Oud by the house of Tom Ford. Great scent. I suggest everyone to get their nose on this particular scent. Beautiful, beautiful resinous, woody, sweet, just nice accords of booze inside of it. You can't, man, I'm telling you, get your nose on this. A great evening elegant scent. Sophisticated gentleman, just heads and shoulders above the rest when it comes to a wardrobe building with the Tom Ford private blends. So next up in the blend list, we want to talk about Noir de Noir. the rose patchouli oud fragrance that is the unadulterated sensual magnetism for any gentleman when he wants to go on a date with his significant other or even a first date. This is one of the best rose oud combinations that I've smelled to this day still. This is an older flacon, so I don't know how the newer formulations have gone. I don't know if Estee Lauder or L'Oreal, whoever purchased Tom Ford, has mixed this, but this has always been one of the best rose oud fragrances on the market to me. Has a truffle accord, very, very deep, rich rose accord. Nothing bright about this particular scent. It goes that warm, woody, smooth and sweet patchouli accord with those truffles, rose, and a little bit of saffron in this particular scent. Very super magnetic fragrance. Noir de Noir is the ultimate date night fragrance. I mean, nights out, dates, whatever. I love wearing this particular scent to lounges as well because it's a sense of mystery while being alluring with all the notes that women can be attracted to and have a conversation with you and just sit back and enjoy their evening with while you just sit there and soak in all of that interaction. Noir de Noir is just a PD, and you know what I mean by that. That is Noir de Noir, and that is the nights out scent for the Tom Ford blend list. And so guys, last but not least, for me, the daily scent is one of those scents that can capture each essence of a blend list, but gives you something that's reliable throughout your day on a daily basis. Now for me, that can be a pretty complex scent. For some, it may not be. But for this particular list and my complexity and the way I like fragrances, I want to celebrate EBENE FUME as the daily scent when it comes to my Tom Ford 2023 fall list of fragrances to have my wardrobe complete throughout the entire season, even going into the season of winter, the beginning of winter. This is a great, sophisticated, super woody, slightly spicy, slightly resinous, incensey feel of a fragrance that has Palo Santo, rose, ebony woods, very woody, very... It's sweet but austere at the same time. It's just one that has a nice edge to it, but also has a nice radius as well. So it's a rounded fragrance in the way it's blended, the way it comes off. But the way it is as a scent, it has that edge that you don't feel in a normal fragrance every day. It's nowhere close to a normal shower gel or fougere style of fragrance. And that's why I like to use this as a daily fragrance in my fragrance wardrobe. Beautifully mixed fragrance, beautifully compounded, a grand scent for an evening, daily scent or a midday scent. This is great for all fall wear. Very nicely made scent by the House of Tom Ford, EBENE FUME, and that is the daily scent. Ladies and gentlemen, that is my list for you guys today. I hope that in this list you got something educational and entertaining. I hope that with this list, this becomes something foundational for you to prescribe to and subscribe to my particular channel for, because these lists are so fun for me to make and so fun to give to you. And these are lists that you guys always tap in on and let me know what you're wearing in this particular style. If it's a business, leisure, evening elegance, nightly or night out, and a daily fragrance. I love these lists and I love giving them to you. Super fun to do, so I hope that you guys did get something from this. Also, like I stated, subscribe to the channel. Let everybody know that we here at the Dry Down are doing something spectacular with all these videos and all this content, and all you guys tapping in, creating this family of frag heads, cigar smokers, and wine drinkers. Until next time and until next video, I'll see you then. Have a blessed one. Peace.